ClimbX Engage is now live, being a relatively simple feature where you have 40 daily posts and 20 skips, where, based on your account and your interests, we try to find most relevant posts every day, never older than 16 hours, and you can then in here write your reply, and to then follow X term of service. On reply, it opens on X the post and the reply, and you can just click reply. You can then go back to ClimbX and mark as done, and we get a new one. You can then filter a bit by doing either big accounts or similar to your own account size, and then either look for early posts, so recent as possible, like this one was only 6 minutes ago, or looking for posts that are hot, so still early posts, but some that already have proven traction, like this one. And you can then do this combination of big early, big hot, or peers early, peers hot, or just have any on both filters. So in that sense, it is pretty simple. Relevant posts, again, a bit more focused on if you want to do big for more impressions or peers for more followers, but then simply just go through daily, do as many as you want to a cap of 40. Thanks.